Hello, I'm going to show you all how you can felt using soap and water and agitation. And I believe in your packets there is a piece of roving. It's rolled up into like a little ball. So what I want you to do is pull it out and carefully unravel it, okay? And you want to have a nice long piece. And the roving is what we call this. This is wool that I have carded on the drum carder. So let me show you how we can make a felted ball out of it. So let me point it down to the sink. So the first thing you're going to do is take one end of your roving and you're going to carefully roll it into a ball. And you see how my hand, I'm kind of, with this hand I am helping it along and I'm holding it tight with my thumb and my index finger of my opposite hand. So I just want it all really tight. Okay? And so you should get something like this. And so we want to get it wet. So you can turn your water on and it doesn't have to be real hot, maybe warm. And I want you to carefully get this ball of wool wet. And make sure it doesn't unravel, okay? And I have some dish soap over here. I'm going to put some dish soap, just sprinkle a few drops on my ball. And then I'm going to carefully just start rolling it in the palms of my hands. Okay, see what I'm doing? Okay, I have it in the middle. And I'm just rolling it around. And just make sure that you got it wet and it's starting to lather. See, I don't know if you can see the soapiness in it. So I'm going to do this for several minutes and I'll come back and show you what's happened. Okay, so I've been doing this back and forth, rolling it the other way. And so I've made a ball. And if you feel it's not getting tight or getting hard, go ahead and put a little bit more water on it. If you want to add another drop or two of dish soap, that's fine. But what you want is you want to be able to try to pull that wool apart. And look, there's nothing coming on there. So that means all of my fibers have felted together. So the water plus the soap and then agitation is what caused these fibers to interlock or fuse together, and that is how felt is made. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. You only need to let it under there for a little bit, squeeze out the water, do that a couple times, and that'll get the dish soap out. And this is what you should have. So felting, it's just that simple. So hopefully you guys will have fun felting your fiber. Remember, carefully unravel the wool roving and then go ahead and I want you to tightly wind it into a ball and then you add the water and the soap and you agitate. All right? Thanks guys, have fun.